Today we are in the Valley of the Sun. The Valley of the Sun? Yeah. And in this video, we're eating at all of the top-rated restaurants in Phoenix on a mission to find whether this is a food oasis or just a mirage. We are covering everything from local favorites to Thai food and finding the best place to get a drink, plus some unexpected stops along the way. We had to be up at 5 o'clock this morning, so I think you know what's first on the list. And although this might not be the highest rated coffee place in Phoenix, it is the highest rated coffee shop that does flights. You have 10 different options, choose 4, we're gonna build our own flight, and then we'll get the day going. So for our flight, we started with the Nitro Cold Brew as a good baseline. Then we had to go with the Cubano for old time's sake. Cafe Mocha, which we chose to get iced, which was a very good choice because it's 110 degrees out today. And to finish it off, we got an Espresso Macchiato. Ashley's favorite was the Cubano, and my favorite, I don't know, I like the iced mocha, that was good. Not the coolest coffee shop I've ever been to, but solid. Now that we got a little bit of life in us, there is one place that may be the most famous restaurant in Phoenix. I just couldn't live with myself if we didn't go. The trick with this one is you gotta get there right when they open or you're gonna be waiting for hours. I'm talking about what might be the best pizza in the country. And that's Pizzeria Bianco. Hopefully we can get a seat, but it's right over here. We were lucky enough to grab one of the last tables right at 11:15, so definitely get here early. Also, pro tip, don't pay for the valet parking. It's 10 bucks. But right around the corner is Arizona State, and there's plenty of street parking. I gotta say, I went in there with very high expectations, and they were all met. I'm not just saying it, it was phenomenal. I wouldn't wait 2+ hours for it, but if you can get in 30-minute wait or less, absolutely worth it. The average pizza, about 25 bucks. We opted for the Rosa, which is pistachio, rosemary, Parmesan cheese, and onions. Absolutely phenomenal. Somehow they can get the crust so thin and airy, but still chewy and crisp at the same time.
Yeah, the chewy and crisp is good.
Without the color being so dark, which is interesting to me.
I don't typically love rosemary, but it was so well balanced that this really hit the spot.
Normally I look for a brewery anytime I'm somewhere new, but I've got something a little different today, and plus it might be good for a really hot day. The car says it's 123 right now.
Oh my God.
Welcome to Superstition Meadery. Mead is fermented from honey and dates back to like 8,000 years ago. Typically it was only reserved for gods or royalty, but for today, that's us. We got a flight for 20 bucks. You get 6 different meads, all with their own unique twist, and this proved to be the perfect place to escape the heat and try something new. I'm gonna sip on these for a bit, and I'll see you on the flip side. That one definitely gets high ratings from me. Some of the best mead in the country, and the awards prove it. My favorite was easily the berry white chocolate blueberry mead. Super good. What'd you think?
Super cute ambiance. I liked the berry white the best as well, but the ginger was really nice for something light.
If you're in Phoenix, definitely stop by if you want to try something different than beer. Now, I think we're ready for some more food. Got a little bit of time to kill before we can check into our hotel, so we're gonna grab some happy hour. One of the best happy hours I could find was the Neighborly. I don't know, I think chowder fries, I like to try that out.
Yeah, I think so too.
This place kind of has like an upscale chain restaurant vibe, but the Bostonian in me spotted those chowder fries, and I cannot pass that up. This is not something that I knew that I needed in my life, but now that I've had them, I want it all the time. The server was also super nice and brought us these free cauliflower bites, which were delicious. Those fries were fire. Definitely get a 4.7 from me.
Seriously, check it out. It had some of the best servers, really thought out, really great experience. I'd go for sure.
As much as I would love to just eat all day, we need to do something to kill some time, make some space in my stomach. So why not do something weird? Found this cool taxidermy oddity shop, so go check it out. When you're looking for souvenirs for your friends and family, don't get them a refrigerator magnet, get them a nice alligator foot, maybe an ostrich egg. A lot of this stuff wasn't even for sale, it was just their own personal collection. I do, however, have my eye on one of these megalodon teeth. I might seriously come back for that. I love checking out stores like this that are just different and unique. Plus, it killed just enough time for us to check into our hotel. All right, I'll give you a tour real quick. So you walk in, we've got 1/2 of our double-sided sink. Show you the rest of that later. The whole vibe is kind of like modern industrial. We've got an open closet here for our suitcases. Really cool solid steel work desk. And then over in this corner, we've got a safe mini fridge with complimentary bottles of water, and then a coffee machine. Got a cool little table if we want to do some eating, and overall pretty good size. This whole hotel, by the way, has artwork in the hallways, in the rooms, and if any of it strikes your eye, you can buy it. This place even comes, I think, with slippers. Look at that, that's pretty nice. Fancy looking shower gel. And this is the other half of the sink. Half of it's in the bathroom and half of it's in the hallway, which is kind of cool. But the best part is the view of downtown Phoenix. Even has a nice pool, except it's too hot, I think, for anyone to be swimming right now because it's still 114. But we will be exploring this later. Might just take a shower and head back out. Look at that, infinite mirrors. All right. Much needed shower. Time to get some dinner. I am feeling Thai food, and the best Thai food, 2 separate people told me about this. It's called glai baan. Baan? Baan?
No.
I don't know, we're gonna go find it. We found it. We also found this. Phoenix, stop flexing. So there happened to be a 2-hour wait, so we are at a bar next door, and I kind of love this place. This has an amazing beer list. The whole bar top is Pogs, which I love, and it's all like very game themed. Legos everywhere. We happened to come on Bob Ross night. Played some card games. Ashley colored in one of those adult coloring books, and I entertained myself with whatever this thing is. And after just a couple short beers, it was time for dinner. It was really dark in here, so I didn't get to film much of the food, but it was incredibly flavorful. I may have had another adult beverage or 2. The night kind of got away from me at that point, and then we went to bed. Ugh, morning. Not gonna lie, I got a little drunk at the Thai place and the bar waiting to get our dinner, so Ashley drove us home. I'm in desperate need of some energy before we drive to Tucson, so we stopped at the top-rated coffee shop in Phoenix, which is Tres Leches. So it's a Mexican bakery, pizzeria, and coffee shop. They had some cool, interesting coffees. You ready for some coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Can I do a hot flan de leches and then a sucia de la rosa? Fill me up with coffee.
All these baked goods look super good. Can we get something?
Know what to get.
Pineapple, dulce, just surprised me. Okay, good job. I don't think I've ever had one of these before. I don't even know what it is. Oh my God, look at those coffees.
Giant coffee for Ashley.
Dude, that's not a coffee, that is a milkshake. Damn.
So I have no idea what's in it. I looked up the translation of piernas, and it says ankle foot joint.
It's kind of soft.
Is it brown sugary? That's what I feel like.
Kind of just tastes like a roll, like a sandwich roll that's kind of sweet.
I'm really excited for this.
This one has whipped cream too?
I put whipped cream on both. It's me. I ordered.
Oh, that's actually really good. This is the flan? Flan?
That's the flan, yeah.
Did you try this already?
I'm afraid to go.
I don't know how I feel about that.
I'm intrigued by this one.
It definitely tastes like almond.
I told you you're gonna like that one. I knew it. I think it's purposefully dry so we can dip it in coffee.
Some of your butter?
So that it has, yeah, just don't drop it all the way. Much better.
Well,
Yeah,
100%.
that's what I'm saying. You're doing it wrong.
There's so much sugar though.
Oh, yeah.
God.
Bye, thank
You too.
you.
Ashley is the proud new owner of 2 giant sugar tsunami coffees. They were good. They're just like so insanely packed with sugar. It's not my thing, but if it's your thing, Tres Leches is the place to check out. It is really good. Phoenix definitely brought the heat on this trip. We had some great food, phenomenal service. So we had some of the
Yes,
best
best
service we've ever
service.
had. The weather report says it's 3 degrees cooler in Tucson, so we're off to Tucson. Stay tuned for the next video.